Okay, so I've got a file here that's been sent to me on WeTransfer. I want to download it. And what it normally does is it downloads into my download folder. And as a result, it ends up filling up my hard drive. Now, the other day I got a file that was really big, 110 gigabytes to download. And that was going to clog up my hard drive. And I wanted to save it to an external drive. But you can't change settings in WeTransfer to tell it where to go to. But you can tell your browser what the default download destination is. So I'm here on my Mac, but I'm going to show you this on Windows as well with Edge and Chrome. Here I'm going to show you Safari, Chrome and Firefox, how you can change your destination so it will save somewhere else. So I'm going to go to my settings here in my Safari menu, and you'll see that it's got the option here, right here, under the General tab, File, Download Location. It says Downloads. I want to choose a destination. I'm going to go for Other, and it's now going to come up here. I've got a drive here. It says Mobile. It actually says Mobile Pro, and I'm going to go down here to Downloads SSD and choose Select. Now you might see there's an option here for Ask for each download, and when I tried it here, it still just went to my downloads folder. So I'm doing it this way. Now, when I hit download, it's going to go to that drive, and you'll see that if I go here, and you'll see if I go to that drive, it's now there. Okay, so that's how you do it with Safari. Let's take a look at doing this on Chrome. Okay, so I'm here in Chrome now. I go to my Chrome menu, I go to my settings, and down here you'll see that it's got downloads, and it's got the option here for location. And again, I can click on change, and you'll see here that I've got that Mobile Pro that I can save it to. So I'm going to select that. You can see there's an option here, ask where to save each file before downloading. Let's just switch that one on and see what happens. So I'm just going to copy that link into here and accept all, hit download. And here it's asking me where I want to save it. Now it's defaulting to the file that I chose, the folder, but I could now choose a different one. So it works well here on Chrome. Let's hit cancel. Let's try this now on Firefox. Okay, so I'm in Firefox now. Let's go to the Firefox menu at the top, choose preferences, and when I scroll down here, you'll see files and applications, downloads, and again, I can choose where I want this to go, choose the same file, and let's click on open. Let's say always ask to where to save the files. Let's give this one another go. Let me paste that in. Accept, agree, download on device, and this is prompting me. So that's good. So it's worked there, giving me the option of where to save it, as well as being able to choose a default one. Let me just go back to Safari. Let me just try that again. Let's go to Safari, settings, and let's go to the ask for each download. Okay, let's just try this again. I'm just going to refresh it. Maybe that was the problem before. Hit download. See, it hasn't asked me. Let's just open up another page and try the same again. So let's make sure that that's still switched on. Ask for each download. Okay, let's hit download. And it's not asking me. So actually, that's not good. We don't want that. And in fact, it's going to the drive that I don't want it to. So I would have to change that. Let's have a look at this over in Windows. Okay, so I'm now here in Windows. This is Edge. And what I'm going to do is go up to my three dots here in the top right. I'm going to click on that. Go down to settings here. And over here, you can see down on the left, it's got downloads. Click on that. I can change it here by clicking on change. And then I've got that same drive here. There we go. and just choose downloads, select folder. And again, I can ask what to do with each download. So I can switch that on and it will ask for what location for each one. So let's just do that. Let's hit download. And what do I want to do? And I can just save it, which will put it into the folder. Save as, I can tell it where I want it to go. So save as, and you can see it's by default going to the Mobile Pro on the Mac. That's the drive that it is. I can hit save and then it's done it there. Now with Chrome, guess what? It's actually the same as how you do it in Edge. So if I go to these three dots here, go to my settings, go to downloads, there is the option to change it, which now you know how to do that. I probably don't need to show you here, but let's do that. And again, I can ask where to save each file before downloading. If you ask me, these look exactly the same. So kind of wondering what's going on here with Edge and Chrome. Something tells me that Edge might be using this Chrome engine here. Anyway, enough of that. Now you know where to put your files that you don't necessarily want to default going onto your local drive. Or you could just put it on your local drive, but into another folder. But for me, I was noticing these big files, which were videos, were just taking up too much space when I was downloading them, and I really had to save them somewhere else. Thanks for watching. If you do like this, please do like, share, and subscribe, or come back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.